Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payment systems with Stripe, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring payment systems with Stripe, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the settings icon located in the bottom left corner. From the settings menu, select account settings. Look for the transfer section and click on it. You will see options for managing your bank accounts and payouts. Add the bank account you wish to transfer money to by clicking on Add Bank Account. Input your bank account details, ensuring they are accurate. Once entered, click Save. Next, go to the Payouts tab to configure your payout schedule. Choose between daily, weekly, or monthly payouts according to your business needs. Now, review any pending payments in the Payments section. To initiate a transfer, click on Send Payment if needed. Fill in the required payment information, including the amount and recipient. Confirm the details and authorize the transaction. Once confirmed, your transfer will begin processing. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications from Stripe regarding your transfers. Monitor your bank account to ensure the funds arrive as expected. In case of any issues, visit the Help section for support resources. Finally, regularly check your settings and accounts to ensure everything remains up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.